How to record a payment on Splitwise. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to record a payment on Splitwise, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, make sure you have the latest version of Splitwise and launch it to log in. Then after, tap on the groups option, which is the first option in the navigation bar. Hereby you can find different groups that you are added on or you have created. Likewise, you can also choose the non-group expenses or the desired group to add a payment or expense. Tapping on it, you should see a plus icon or add expense button. Tap on the add expense button and it will take you to another page. From here, you can choose the friends with which you want to split the bill with. Once you have done so, you have to enter the description of the payment. Hereby, you have to give the details or just a word for what you have spent on and add the total bill. Then you can select the option paid by you and split equally. After that, you can customize the settings like color codes or additional notes as well. You can go to view to check the review balances. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.